Did you know the average person reads only 20 to 28% of the words on a web page? Hi, this is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip on readability, the invisible force that determines whether people read or ignore your content. Readability involves more than just making sure your content looks neat. It's about ensuring your message is clear, accessible, and engaging, from the words you choose to how they're presented on the page or screen. Because quality content doesn't just communicate, it connects with your readers. It's easy to follow visually appealing content that's accessible across all devices and for all audiences, including those with visual or cognitive impairments. What exactly does readability look like? And how can you make sure your content is easier to read? Stick around to find out. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and for a free checklist to help you create content that reaches the right clients, see the link in the video description. Why readability matters. Ever tried reading instructions packed into dense, tiny paragraphs with letters that shrink into mush before your eyes? We've all been there, and your readers definitely don't want to wallow in that wall of words. When you overlook readability, your readers can literally get lost. If your content is harder to follow than an IKEA bedroom set assembly manual, it's time for a redesign. Rescue your readers with clear, organized, user-friendly content. What does poor versus good readability actually look like? Here are 4 ways to make your content more readable. 1. Make it scannable. Readers skim more than they read, especially online. Use headings to guide the eye, bullet points to break down information, and short paragraphs for easier understanding. For mobile users, keep them to 3 to 4 lines. Line spacing. Embrace white space. Your words need room to breathe, but don't leave gaps so wide they turn into content deserts. 2. Choose your fonts wisely. Stick to clean, simple fonts and avoid using more than a few different styles. Think Arial, not calligraphy. And for digital content, size matters. Aim for at least 16 pixels. 3. Use tools. Apps like the Hemingway app or Grammarly can flag overly complex sentences and suggest simpler alternatives to improve grammar, sentence structure, or word choice. They also score your content's readability using standards like Flesch, Kincaid, or Gunning Fogg, so you can write for your readers, who might not always be rocket scientists. 4. Consider accessibility. Color contrast. Make sure text stands out from the background, including in dark mode. Describe images using alt text. Write calls to action and hyperlink text in concrete terms, and avoid vague wording like jargon and big words. Here's an example of website copy that could be improved. Before. Here at our store, we offer great customer service, helpful product reviews, and all the info you need to make an informed decision about your purchase. Issues. Dense, hard-to-scan text. Filler words, like here at our store. And lack of clear structure, especially for mobile devices. After. Why shop with us? Customer service. Ready to help 24/7. Product reviews. Honest feedback. Detailed advice. The essentials to guide your choice. Improvements. Clear headers and bullet points for scanning. Fewer words. And it's more mobile-friendly and accessible. Readability is more than just visual polish. It's the difference between hooking your audience and losing them. Think of your words as party guests. Cram them together and readers ghost your page. Give them space to mingle and your readers will stick around. What's your biggest readability hurdle? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, we'll cover utility, how to ensure your content provides just the right amount of information to guide your audience to success. Don't miss it. For more writing tips and techniques, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And for your free content checklist to reach the right clients, see the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.